about the fights in social media. Anyway, for me, everyone loves Rodrigo Duterte. Like I said before, everyone loves Rodrigo Duterte. We want to make a safer place in the Philippines. So, at the time, we want safer. Like I was told by Stefan Pimentel, he's also a Duterte supporter too, I know he's very safe. Rodrigo Duterte is our former president of the Philippines. He's my idol. My idol is Ali Khamenei, Xi Jinping, Vladimir Putin, and Hugo Chavez, and even Shinzo Abe. Oh, now I idolize only Rodrigo Duterte because I'm Filipino. He's my idol. Oh, he's my idol. I like Rodrigo Duterte because I'm Filipino. Oh, because I was Filipino, born here in the Philippines. So I love Rodrigo Duterte. For those Marcos loyalists who are fake Filipinos, especially you, Dan Mardayaw, you politicalized Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Oh, you see what happened. Oh, even Romeo TV vlogs, ang kay Jan Jan. Oh, if you go to the street, like I said, pag dadaan kayo sa kalsada, eh, daming magdanakaw doon, daming addict. Oh, you see, I say to everyone, Romeo TV vlog, if you go to the street, if someone will steal your cell phone, who are you blaming at? Yourself. During the time of Rodrigo Duterte, it's right thing to have a war on drugs. Oh, because we want to protect the Filipinos to get in harm. As we are Filipinos, I am a pro Duterte. I love Rodrigo Duterte. He's my idol. I'm a biggest fan of Rodrigo Duterte. Oh, I want to make Philippines great again because he's my idol. Even Sara Duterte. Oh, I like Duterte. For I say to Mami Ellen Olea, I want you to be safe, to get in harm from robberies or robberies, like for example holdupper. I don't want to get Mommy Ellen Olea get in harm because if she get in harm, Kuya Allison will get worried. I want to protect Mommy Ellen because she's my relative. Oh, we want to be reality of Rodrigo Duterte war on drugs. My dad is said it to me. Oh, me I said before, listen to all of you, if I say it in my statement, that Bongbong Marcos is a drug addict, my dad is right, that is his reality. So we want the youth to be safe from robbery and harm. Oh, it's anniversary of arrest of Rodrigo Duterte in ICC. Let's not judge him. Just respect and love him, and show us a good manner to the senior citizen. As we are Filipinos, I love Rodrigo Duterte. Oh, because he's my idol. Oh, he has a gun collection. He has a armory collection. He wants the youth to shoot guns to fight against illegal drugs. We like Rodrigo Duterte because he's my idol. Oh, because recently I will vote Sara Duterte and Bam Aquino for president and vice president of the Philippines. So, as you can see, Rodrigo Duterte is a good manner, good president. He hates drugs. But Bongbong Marcos have no manners. Just like I said, he has no manners. No manners. Just like I said before, We have to respect Rodrigo Duterte because he's our president. Oh, he's our president of the Philippines. We have to respect. Oh, like me, I say to to my I said before, I want Nanay Ningning and Ninong Michael to be safe from holdupper during the time of Rodrigo Duterte of war on drugs. I don't want to get in harm of Nanay Ningning and Ninong Michael. I want to protect Teacher May to get in harm from holdupper when she commute in school in the jeep. I don't want Teacher May get in harm if she get robbery, that if she get robbed, if she get thief by a person who steal a cell phone. I don't want to get harm with Teacher May. For all of us, we have to respect Rodrigo Duterte because he's our president of the Philippines.